Good day everyone, my name is Shaira Vitacor and I am going to discuss the noise in air pollution. Indoor air pollution. Every year, indoor air pollution is responsible for the death of 1.6 million people. That's one death every 20 seconds. More than half of the world population relies on dung, wood, crop waste, or coal to meet their most basic energy needs. So, indoor air pollution, every year daw po is 1.6 million people died due to air pollution, occurring roughly every 20 seconds. This problem is mainly caused by over half of the global population relying on fuels like dung, wood, crop waste, or coal for their basic energy needs, lead to harmful air quality indoors and healthy consequences. Particulate pollution levels in indoor pollution may be 20 times higher than accepted guideline values. In poorly ventilated dwellings, indoors smoke can exceed acceptable levels for small particles in outdoor air a hundredfold. When you use solid fuels like wood or charcoal for cooking or heating, without proper ventilation, it creates indoor air pollution. This pollution contains small particles that can be harmful to breathe in. In homes with poor ventilation, the indoor smoke levels can exceed safe levels by a significant amount compared to outdoor air. Indoor smoke contains a range of health damaging pollutions such as carbon monoxide and small soot or dust particles that are able to penetrate deep into the lungs. So, when you burn things indoors like wood or tobacco, it releases harmful stuff into the air. This includes carbon monoxides, which can make you sick, and tiny particles of soot or dust that can get into your lungs and cause health problems. The health impact. A major killer, the World Health Organization revealed indoor air pollution as the eighth most impact. The health impact. A major killer, the health impact. A major The health impact. A major killer, the World Health Organization the health impact. A major killer, the World Health Organization revealed in the health impact. A major killer, the World Health Organization revealed indoor air pollution as the eighth most important risk factors and responsible for 2.7% of the global burden as disease. The health impact. A major killer, health the health impact. A major killer, the World Health Organization revealed into air pollution. The health impact. A major killer, the World Health Organization revealed indoor air pollution as the eighth most impact. The health impact. A major killer, the World Health Organization revealed indoor air pollution as the eighth most important risk factor and responsible for 2.7% of the global burden as disease. Indoor air pollution like smoke from cooking or heating is ranked by the World Health Organization as the eighth leading risk factors for health issues worldwide. It contributes to about 2.7% of the total global burden as disease, causing significant health problems and even death. Globally, indoor air pollution from solid fuels use is responsible 1.6 million deaths due to pneumonia, chronic respiratory disease, and lung cancer. With the overall disease burden exceeding the burden from outdoor air pollution fivefold. Means that using solid fuels indoors like wood or coal for cooking or heating causes indoor air pollution, leading to 1.6 million deaths worldwide from diseases like pneumonia, chronic respiratory disease, and lung cancer. This burden as disease is 5 times higher than the burden caused by outdoor air pollution. Disease burden is measured in disability adjusted life years, a measures combining year of loss due to disability and death. Disability adjusted life years or dailies is a way to measure the overall impact of a disease on a population. It considers both the year of life lost due to premature death and the year lived with disability, providing a comprehensive view of the disease burden. In high mortality developing countries, indoor smoke is responsible for an estimate 3.7% of overall disease burden, making it the most lethal killer after malnutrition, unsafe sex, and lack of safe water and sanitation. In countries where many people died young, smoke from indoor is a big problem, causing about 3.7% of all health issues. It's one of the top killers, along with not having enough food, unsafe sex, and not having clear water or bathrooms. There is consistent evidence that exposure to indoor air pollution increases the risk of pneumonia among children under 5-year-old and chronic respiratory disease and lung cancer in among adults over 30 years old. Exposure to indoor air pollution like from coal use raises the risk of pneumonia like kids under 5 and chronic respiratory illness or chronic respiratory disease plus lung cancer in adult over 30. Pneumonia and other acute lower respiratory infection. Globally, pneumonia and other acute lower respiratory infections represent the single most important cause of death in children under 5 years old. Exposure to indoor air pollution more than double the risk of pneumonia and is thus responsible for more than 900,000 of the 2 million annual deaths from pneumonia. Pneumonia and other acute lower respiratory infections are the leading cause of death in children under 5 worldwide. Exposure to indoor air pollution significantly increases the risk of pneumonia, contributing to over 900,000 million annual deaths from the disease. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Women exposed to indoor smoke are their times as likely to suffer from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, such as chronic bronchitis, than women who cook and heat with electricity, gas, and other clear fuels. Among men, exposures to this neglected risk factor nearly double the risk of chronic respiratory disease. Consequently, indoor air pollution is responsible for approximately 700,000 out of the 2.7 million global deaths due to COPD. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD is a lung condition that makes it hard to breathe. Indoor smoke, often from cooking with solid fuels like wood or charcoal, increases the risk of COPD. Women who are exposed to this smoke are 3 times more likely to get COPD compared to those who use cleaner fuels like electricity or gas. For men, the risk nearly doubles. Overall indoor air pollution contributes to around 700,000 out of 2.7 million global COPD deaths. Lung cancer. Coal use and cooking on open fire or simple stove can cause lung cancer in women. Exposure to smoke from coal fires doubles the risk of lung cancer, in particular among women who tend to smoke less than men in more developing countries. Coal and cooking on open fire or basic stove can lead to lung cancer in women. Inhaling smoke from coal fires doubles the chance for developing lung cancer, especially for women who tend to smoke less than men in many developing nations. So that's all po. Thank you.